can't lose it! That foal is taking us straight to the danger!
We need to be ready. That python won't give up easily.
This time, we fight smart and fast.
This is it. The python's den is just ahead.
Hold tight. We're almost there, just beyond this ridge.
Get ready! This is the final stretch.
There. The python. It's got the mare.
This is it. We move now. This is our only chance. Stay sharp.
We take the python down fast and clean. Split into two groups, flank it from both sides. On it, we'll cut off its escape.
I'll aim for a clear shot.
Nice and quiet, just a little closer. I'll lock it down from the side. Get ready to pull.
It's coming straight at us. Hold the line.
Don't break formation.
Now. All together, attack! I've got it, hold it down.
Keep the pressure. Don't let it break free.
Hold tight. Don't let it break loose.
Pull harder, together, now!
Hold on. Don't let go.
It's pulling me under.
Direct hit, good. It's in.
Hold on, don't give it a chance to shake it off. It's slowing down. Keep the pressure steady.
Don't relax yet. Hold until it's done.
Free the mare now. Lift with me, don't let her fall.
She's almost free. Keep going. She's hurt badly. Stay with us, girl.
We need med supplies now.
Her heart's weak, but she's still fighting. Keep her steady.
She's gonna make it. Don't give up on her now. Fluid's going in. This should stabilize her, at least for now.
Good, just hold on a little longer. You're safe now.
She's still with us. She can hear.
She can fight.
She's not giving up. Neither are we. Easy, steady. Don't let her slip.
The vehicle's ready. Let's move.
Just hold on. We're taking you home. The city's close. She's gonna make it.
Heartbeat is holding, she's fighting through. Keep her stable.
We can't let her crash now. Look at it. It won't leave her side.
That bond, it's stronger than fear.
There it is, the city.
Almost home. Just a little longer.
Her breathing, it's stabilizing. She's coming back. We're not losing her.
We've made it. She'll survive.
Welcome home, both of you.
We're here. Get her ready for transfer. On your call. Let's move fast. Her vitals are improving. She's safe here.
She's gonna make it. She's stable now. Recovery is on track. We did it. She's safe.
Go on, she's waiting for you.
That sound, it's the best medicine she could have.
She's strong. She just needed her baby.
This bond will heal her faster than anything we can do.
We brought him back, both of them.
All the struggle, it was worth it.
The story ends here, but the bond between us and nature never will.